community through your selfless service and your commitment to making our community stronger. We have a very large, growing Indian and Sikh community in Lakewood, and I appreciate your partnership. And I thank you for having me here today. Have a great day.
Thank you, in Stockton. The efforts to bring people together in unity and service help enrich the diversity of spirit of our city. Welcome you to wish a meaningful and successful celebration presented on behalf of the Stockton City Council on the 19th day of April 26th, signed by the mayor, your council members, and all the city councils. Thank you, everyone.
And now, I'd like to ask the Chief of Police, McFadden, please share a few words.
All right, good morning, everyone. It is a pleasure to be here. I am Chief Singh today. Please feel free to reference that as me today. It's an honor for me to be at the 27th annual celebration of the birth of the Khalsa, hosted by the Stockton Gurdwara, a place of unity, service, and compassion in the community. Many of our community members don't know that Gurdwara is open to all. No matter your background, faith, race, or walk of life, you are welcome here with dignity. You are invited to learn, reflect, connect, and share a meal through the beautiful tradition of langar. Langar is more than food. It's reminded that when we sit side by side, talk to one another, and break bread together, we see each other not as strangers, but as neighbors, partners, and human beings deserving of respect. The spirit aligns deeply with the Stockton Police Department's mission. Our work is rooted in service, fairness, and trust building, ensuring that every person, every family feels safe, valued, and heard. We cannot do that work alone. We do it by listening, showing up, and learning from the communities we serve. Your commitment to selfless service mirrors the very heart of public safety. Your commitment to inclusion mirrors our commitment to protecting every member of our city. And your commitment to community reminds us that safety is not just about responding to calls. It's about building relationships long before those calls happen. We are proud to stand with you, to learn from you, and to continue to build this community that we all live in.
Our invocation was done by someone from your community, and we also had the opportunity to present a proclamation. So I'm going to go ahead and read it because as we move forward, we cannot forget our past. And in the 1980s and 90s, when the genocide was happening over in India by the government, we were happy to be able to open our doors, open our country to make sure that there was a safe place where you could come and be accepted. So, the proclamation, whereas the Sikh faith, founded in 1469, is grounded in the principles of service, sharing, and honest living. And whereas April marks the birth of Khalsa, founded by Guru Gobind Singh Ji, and is celebrated worldwide. And whereas Sikhs have been an integral part of the United States for more than 120 years, with early settlers establishing roots in Stockton. And the city of Stockton holds a unique in Sikh American history as the home of the Stockton Gurdwara, established in 1912 as the first Sikh house of worship in the United States. And Stockton has hosted one of the largest Vaisakhi celebrations in the nation for more than 25 years, reflecting the strength and vibrancy of the Sikh community. And whereas Sikh Americans continue to contribute to the civic, cultural, and economic life of Stockton while exemplifying the values of service, equality, and community care. And whereas the city of Stockton is committed to honoring its diverse communities and fostering inclusion and mutual respect. And now therefore, I, Christina Fugazi, Mayor of the City of Stockton, and members of the City Council, do hereby proclaim April 2026 as Sikh Heritage Month. Thank you.
Bole Sonia! Thank you, Mayor Fugazi. थोड़ा मैं पंजाबी समझाना कि मंगलवार अप्रैल 14 विसाखी वाले दिन सिटी काउंसिल मीटिंग च साडे कम्युनिटी विचों अरदास भी होई सी ते नाले ट्वेल्व लीव्स भी साडे संगत मैंबरां ने कीता सी ते उस दिन उन्होंने आई प्रोक्लेमेशन सिख संगत नूं दित्ता सी कि विसाखी वाले दिन लई सो थैंक यू वंस अगेन टू
साथी दी लाख लाख बधाई दिंदा है ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਕੌਮ ਸਾਰੀ ਨਿਵਾਜੀ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਚੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਕਲਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਸਰਟੀਫਿਕੇਟ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਇਆ ਪਰ ਮੈਂ ਪੜੂੰਗਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਈ ਕਮੇਟੀ ਵਾਲੇ ਨੂੰ ਦੇ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਇਸ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਜੀ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ